students. Today I am going to start exercise 12.2 from question number 2. In this question we have to express the numbers in usual form. The numbers given in the question are in standard form. So we will use the inverse method which we have used for standard form. I have done first part of this question in two ways. First of all, we will write the number 3.02 into 10 raised to power minus 6. So the exponent is negative, so we will make it positive by law of exponent, that is a raised to power minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to power m. Now the number will become 3.02 upon 10 raised to power 6. Now removing the decimal, we will write 10 in normal form. Like 10, already we have 10 raised to power 6, and now by removing decimal we got two more multiples of 10. Now here we will use law of exponent, that is a raised to power m into a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m plus n. So here also we have all the bases same, so we will write this number as 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. After 1 I have 8 zeros, so I will convert the number into decimal form. Or the another method of converting standard form into usual form is 3.02 into 10 raised to power minus 6. Now the exponent is negative. When we converted the number in standard form, we have shifted the decimal from left to right, but here we will shift it from right to left. So how many places we will shift it? 6 places. So it will become 0.000050, zeros, then 302. Now in both the methods answer is same. So this second method is concise and more easy. So we will use this method in all the parts of this question. So next part of this question is 4.5 into 10 raised to power 4. Here the exponent is positive. So in first part you will write that decimal is shifted from right to left. And how many places we have shifted? Right to left. And how many places we have shifted it? 6 places. Now decimal is shifted from right to left 6 places. Now here the exponent is positive, so we will shift it from left to right. So we will write it as 4.5. Now we will shift the decimal from left to right. How many places? 4 places. So 1 2 3, we will put 3 zeros because already we have one digit 5 here. So when the decimal is shifted 1 2 3 4, it will be outside the number, then it will be written as decimal and 0. So it does not have any value, so the number will become a whole number, that is 45,000. Now here what we have done, decimal is shifted 4 places, and how we have shifted it from left to right. To convert a number in standard form, when we shift the decimal right to left, the power is negative, and then when the power is positive, we shift the decimal from left to right. Now third part of this question is 3 into 10 raised to power minus 8. Now exponent is negative and power is 10. Power of 10 is 8. So we will shift the decimal 8 places from right to left. But here no decimal is there, so we will write the number as 3.0 into 10 raised to power minus 8. So when we will shift the decimal from left to right, so one number 3 is here, So we will write as 3.0 and shift the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros we will put because one digit 3 is already there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now the decimal is shifted left to right 8 places. So our answer is 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros, then 3. Now we will write here decimal is shifted how many places? 8 places from right to left. Now the fourth part of this question is 1.0001 into 10 raised to power 9. Here the exponent is positive. So we will shift the decimal from left to right. How many places? 9 places. So we will write the number 1.0001. Then see, after decimal we have how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are already there and we have to shift the decimal 9 places. So we will write 5 zeros after this. Now when we will shift this decimal 9 places, we got this 10001. Now see 10001 00000. Now the number becomes whole number because the power was positive. So we will write decimal is shifted from left to right. How many places? 9 places. And we got our answer. Now moving to fifth part of this question. I have 5.8 into 10 raised to power 12. Now exponent is positive. So I will shift the decimal 12 places from left to right. So after 8 I will put 11 zeros. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So when I will shift the decimal 12 places, it will go beyond the number. So the number will become a whole number. So it will be written as 5, 8. Then after 8 I have 11 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So I will write why I have done this, because how I have done this, that decimal is shifted 12 places from left to right. And why I have done, because the exponent was positive. Now sixth part of this question, we have 3.61492 into 10 raised to power 6. Here also exponent is positive and I have to shift the decimal 6 places. After decimal I have already 5 digits, so I have to put only 1 0. So when decimal will be shifted 10 places, it will go outside the numbers, so the number will become a whole number. It will become 3614920. Here decimal is shifted 6 places from left to right. Now with this part, our question number 2 is completed. Now I am going to start question number 3. In question number 3, we are given express the numbers appearing in the following statements in standard form. So first part is 1 micron is equal to 1 upon 10 lakh meter. Now the number given is 1 upon 10 lakh. Now it will be written in powers of 10, that is 1 upon 10 raised to power 6. Now I will use here law of exponent. 1 a raised to power minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to power m. Means when we write the reciprocal of number, the power gets changed. So 1 upon 10 raised to power 6 will be written as 10 raised to power minus 6. Now here we have number 1 only, so the number will be written along with this power as 1 into 10 raised to power minus 6. Now second part of this question, we have charge of electron is given to us in coulomb. So the number is 0.0. After decimal we have 18 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18 zeros. Then number is 1, 6. And the charge is in coulomb. Now I have to shift this decimal after 1. So how many zeros I have? 18 and one digit is given, that is 1. So the decimal will be shifted 19 places from its original place. So I have written 18 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Now the decimal is shifted 19 places to get it after digit 1. So our answer is 0. Now it is shifted 19 places, so our answer is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19, because the decimal is shifted from left to right, so the power will become negative. So our answer is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19. Now third part of this question is size of bacteria is given. Size of bacteria is given 0.000. We have 6 zeros before 5 meter. Now I have to write this number in standard form. Now again the decimal is on left side and I have to shift it after 5. So I will write the number as 0. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and one digit 5 is also there. So decimal will be shifted 7 times. So I will write it as 0.000005, then decimal, then 0. Because when we will shift it from left to right, the decimal will come after 5. Now after decimal we don't have any number, so simply it will be written as 5. And how many places it is shifted? 7 from left to right. So the answer will be 5 into 10 raised to power minus 7. Fourth part of this question is size of a plant cell is given 0.000, 4 times 0, then 1275 meter. Now the given number has, after decimal we have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, then digit 1, 2, 7, 5. I have to shift the decimal after 1. So how many places I have to shift? 5 places, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 to get the decimal after 1. So I have shifted the decimal from left to right, so the exponent will be negative. So the number will become 1.275 into 10 raised to power minus 5. Now fifth part is thickness of thick paper is 0.07 millimeter. Now we have only 2 digits after decimal, so 0.07.0, we will put decimal after 7 because the decimal will be shifted 2 times, 2 places after its from its original place, that is 0.07. 2 digits are there after decimal, so it will be shifted 2 places, and now the decimal is after 7. So 7.0 will be written as only 7. So it will be written as 7 into 10 raised to power minus 2. Now, last question of this exercise, question number 4. In a stack, there are 5 books, each of the thickness 20 millimeter, and 5 paper sheets, each of the thickness 0.016 millimeter. What is the total thickness of the stack? Stack means pile. So we will write here, we are given thickness of one book is 20 millimeter. So we will write thickness of each means 1. So each book is equal to 20 millimeter. And how many books are given? 5. Therefore, thickness of 5 books is equal to 20 into 5 millimeter, that is equal to 100 millimeter. Now, we are given thickness of each paper sheet. We are given thickness of paper sheet is equal to 0.016 millimeter. Now we are given 5 paper sheets, therefore thickness of 5 paper sheets is equal to 0.016 into 5 millimeter is equal to 0.080 millimeter. Now 0.080 millimeter can be written as 0.08 because after 8 we don't have any other digit, only 0 is there, so it can be written as 0.08 millimeter. So total thickness of the stack is equal to, we will add the thickness of paper sheet as well as book. So total thickness of the stack is thickness of 5 books plus thickness of 5 paper sheets. Now we will add them, then we get 100 millimeter plus 0.08 millimeter, and we can write it as, when we will add them, we will get 100.08 millimeter. Now we will write the answer in standard form. So I have to shift the decimal after 1. So how many places it will be shifted? 2 places, and from right side to left side. So the power will become positive. So I will shift the decimal from right to left. So it will become 1.0008 into 10 to the power 2 millimeter. With this question, our exercise 12.2 is completed.